Hello? Uh, Auntie? Auntie?
Hello, who is it?
Uh, I'm a KESHIA. I video call you, Auntie. You know what's me? Oh, yes, Auntie. I true me, I come from the dentist, Auntie. Yes, Auntie Punsi. I true me, I come from the dentist.
What happened to you now, Keisha?
Auntie? 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 Olana, Auntie, Olana. You never not try to listen to what me I say, Auntie. Eh? Auntie, when me cannot listen what me I say, you ready to tell me this and tell me that, Auntie. Auntie, listen to what me I say, no?
Keisha, me no want to hear your story them now, you know.
See, let me I show you. Yeah? Yeah. At the dentist me I come from, Auntie. Auntie, I was about 2 weeks now. Now, on to take you like a wisdom teeth, Auntie. My wisdom teeth, one big dirty abscess in the teeth. Auntie,
Keisha, people
one
still
big
have tooth here.
abscess in the teeth. Yes, I may go a dentist. Hmm? Auntie, I $800,000 the dentist say fi fix up the teeth them. Cause the mouth ya turn bad so till the amount of
Keisha,
things
why you
the
no make
doctor
Bruce get one
the
pliers and
dentist
take
a
out
tell
the
me say
teeth?
me need fi do. Auntie, me never know say I so figure dentist expensive. He tell me say me need to put one cross wire upon the teeth like barbed wire. You know what? Auntie, you know the barbed wire them where you used to use down a country and spread out your clothes pan. Yes. And so the teeth are gonna look like that. Yes. He said that alone cost 500,000, Auntie. And then he tell me say me have me two wisdom teeth they need to take out. Eh? Auntie, the amount of things where ma tell me. And for the past 2 weeks, Auntie, my teeth doesn't hurt me. So me have to say, Auntie, me can hardly sleep at night. Eh? You see all this here when me have round here, so Auntie. No, Auntie, no. I know Sumfest me want go, Auntie, no. Auntie, me woulda never do you that, Auntie. I know Sumfest me want go. No, Auntie, me no go a them place there. Me not even know when I the date. Me no know when, Auntie, if I the 18 and the 19. Me no know. Auntie, me no go a them place there. No, Auntie, the teeth hurt me bad for the past 2 weeks. Me in and out of hospital, Auntie, and the dentist are all about over the place. Eh? No, Auntie, me woulda never tell you them a big lie there, Auntie. Me woulda never tell you them big lie there. Auntie, me not tell big lie. Auntie, I just a small one them me tell, but me not tell the big one them. No, Auntie, me woulda never do you that. You me good Auntie. Eh? No, me not tell me good Auntie Pussy no big lie. So where must judge? Yeah, alright. Then I saw early mass judge go to bed, Auntie. Auntie, me have to go hang up now. Me can't talk no more because me mouth under fire. I was under fire. Auntie, where they then tell me say me fi put nutmeg in the teeth. And me I tell her say the way me broke I don't even nutmeg me no have. And I run me this run, go to a shop, go buy 2 Panadol. You see the auntie, and not lie me I tell her. Auntie, see the auntie, me could have never tell you no lie. Mhm. All right. Auntie, I hope me feel better by Monday. Oh, you gonna send more money for me? Uh, Why me I tell you say auntie me really have to love you, me have to love you, you know. Yes. Me all I tell you thanks I me not get the money yet. Then auntie make me ask one question. How much you are gonna send auntie? Hmm? Because as me did tell you already in the first part of the conversation, see I hear 100,000 for the dentist I charge me, 500 for the barbed wire them where I put in my mouth. Yeah. Auntie, you're rich. You're rich, man. You're a rich auntie. Then auntie, as so much money you really are gonna send me, Keisha. Eh? Me, Keisha, you send so much money, auntie. Hey, you have a good auntie, you know, auntie Punsi. Yes. Eh? 5,000 US dollar. God Almighty. Auntie, me never see them the money there from me barn. Eh? Oh God. Oh, you are going to send a check to the dentist. And if you send the information, come give you, make you send a check or give the dentist. Auntie, that no look good. Auntie, that no look good at all, at all. The teeth that hurt me worse, you know. Now that me hear that, auntie, the teeth. Oh, ooh, auntie, the teeth that hurt me worse now. Oh, my God. Auntie, looking at me mouth. Oh, auntie, that hurt me worse. Eh? Then, auntie, why you have to go send a check and you want the dentist information, auntie? Auntie, you not trust me. Auntie, you can't trust me, man. Ooh. Auntie, you can't trust me. Auntie, me say if you trust me. Auntie, you know, say, if you're sending money to me, I hear 100,000, but if you are write a check, auntie, through him now go get it same time. Him have to go wait until 7 days time, auntie. You're going to have to send an extra $1,000 penny. Auntie, you never know, so you're going to Jamaica. I saw you go. You're going to have to send a extra 1,000. Not 1,000 Jamaica dollar, you know, because you know, say Jamaica $1,000 no got no use. Auntie, a extra 1,000 US dollar you're going to have to send pan the money, auntie. Yes. Country dentist have to go wait 7 days. Yes. And him I make sure. Yeah. Yes, auntie, you have to go send him, man. You have to send him. So me don't know where you are going to get so much money if you send auntie when you could have this send a little money come give me Keisha make me sort it out, man. Auntie, you no got no confidence in me, you know, man. Oh, you mean say you're not no confident? I only the confident where he in a bag where they use. Auntie, the paddy I talk about, auntie, me not talk about no pad now, yeah, auntie. The pain in my teeth, me I talk about, yeah, auntie. Mm. All right, auntie, see if you can send the money through Western Union early tomorrow, cause tomorrow Friday, and the dentist say Saturday are the last day me have to come in with the money. So try send it tomorrow, yeah, man, very early, yeah, morning. Me can't bother, you know. True. All right, auntie, all right. Thank you. Damn foolishness. Me, where she a talk about she a go send money him to dentist. She not send a little money come give me, me get fi fix up myself and figure a Sumfest. Me can't take them people here sometime when you beg them anything them a try fi tell you how fi spend it and what you fi do with it. Me can't bother with them, you know. Me can't bother at all. I can't bother, man. That's why sometimes I don't like it begging, you know. But true nothing, I go and I want a little money figure some fest, you know. I can't bother, yeah, man. And me can't afford to make some fest miss me, you know, cause Kartel I go did that, you know. Me can't bother, you know. Sure. Damn foolishness, man. And look how me and all dress up and fi tell lie and this and that fi get a little money. When people are begging no money, good. When you know want send it come, people have to tell this whole pile and tell all about dead and all sort of thing to get a little money. When you know could have send a little money come give people. When you too blasted mean to man. Cho auntie man. No make me cuss you know auntie. Cho. You have to go talk all sort of things and now if you hot up my head more. Cho. You should have just say I send the little money come give me you know auntie. Eh? Yeah, talk about some fest and all sort of thing and data and thing like say me know nothing. Me don't know nothing, man. Sure, outside if you just send little money come give people.